welcome to the second video about OMNIZON's iPaaS EDI. In this video, we will go over the configuration wizard to show you how to configure your newly created tenant. To start the configuration, please log in to the System Administrator portal. You received the link to the portal in a second email from our self-registration portal. So let's configure your tenant and start your B2B integration journey.
After you have successfully logged into the System Administrator portal, you will be greeted with a configuration wizard that will walk you through the necessary steps to configure first two organizations in your tenant. In most cases, one of them will be the buyer and the other one will be the supplier. On the first step, you're entering the details for the first organization. Here, you can use the Copy Tenant Info button to automatically populate organization information from the details you entered for the tenant owner. First information is the name of the organization. In this example, let's use My Buyer. Country is a mandatory information. Based on it, the wizard is able to generate a random VAT number if you don't want to use the real one at first, and for the supplier portal so that it can apply certain country-based rules. Username will be used for that organization so that its admin user can log into the supplier portal and check the exchange documents and create documents if needed. Email will be used to deliver necessary configuration information to the recipient once you're finished with the wizard. On the second step, you need to enter that same information for the second organization, the supplier as well. After completing that, on the third step, you can choose which modules will these organizations use. You can find out more about the modules on the link that's in the description of this video. You can also load demo products into that organization's product listing for testing purposes. But for the sake of this video, let's leave the default options selected. On the fourth step, you define the exchange relationship between these two organizations. By default, there are two document formats supported, UBL and Edifact. You will get a link to download sample documents in the email upon finishing the configuration. On this screen, you can choose which documents are going to be exchanged and in which direction. For example, organization My Buyer will send orders in Edifact format to My Supplier, who will receive those orders transformed in the UBL format. My Supplier will send order confirmations in UBL format to My Buyer, who will receive those confirmations transformed in the Edifact format. If the roles of these organizations you defined are reversed, you can easily switch the exchange relationship by clicking on the Swap button. Once you have defined the exchange relationship, you will be taken to the last step where you will see an overview of your configuration and will be able to finish the process. After confirming that the configuration is in order, two emails will be sent with configuration details to email addresses you defined in this process. This concludes the wizard configuration process.
Thank you for watching our second video about OMNIZON's iPaaS EDI. Please join me in our next video where we will show you how to use Enterprise EDI to exchange documents with partners who have an ERP system. Stay tuned and have a nice day!